Good day, dear classmates and Dr. Mel. This is Camille Angelican Lesson. I'll be presenting to you my report about Part 1 of 3 of Module 2, Functional Organization of Distance Education, about the evolution of technology and its impact on the implementation of distance education. Here are the learning objectives in this presentation. First is analyze the evolution of technology. Second is classify the different generations of distance education and explain how technology has changed distance education. To give you an overview of the report, this covers the first topic, evolution of technology, that includes technology timeline in history, different generations of distance education, and how technology changed distance education. This is a sample timeline of the evolution of technology, which starts in the early days of technology, followed by the Industrial Revolution, then the digital age, and the current modern technological innovations. The history of technology dates back to the dawn of human civilization. Early humans used simple tools made of stone, wood, and bone to hunt, gather, and build shelters. The invention of the wheel around 3500 BC marked a significant milestone, leading to advancement in transportation and trade. The discovery of fire, the development of agriculture, and the invention of writing were other significant moments in early technological history. These innovations laid the foundation for more complex societies and the rise of civilizations. The Industrial Revolution began in the 18th century, marked a major turning point in technological advancement. The introduction of machinery such as the steam engine transformed industries and economies. Factors began to replace manual labor, leading to mass production and increased efficiency. During this period, significant inventions like the telegraph, telephone, and electricity changed the way people communicated and lived. The revolution also brought about social and economic changes, including urbanization and the rise of the working class. The 20th century witnessed the advent of digital age, characterized by the development of computers, the internet, and digital communication. The invention of transistor in 1947 paved the way for modern computers, which became increasingly powerful and compact over the decades. The launch of the World Wide Web in 1989 by Tim Berners-Lee revolutionized information sharing and connectivity. The internet transformed businesses, education, and entertainment, social interactions, creating a global digital economy. Now, under modern technological innovations, technology continues to evolve at an unprecedented pace with innovations that are reshaping various sectors. First is artificial intelligence or AI and machine learning. AI is revolutionizing industries by enabling machines to learn, reason, and perform tasks that typically require human intelligence. Internet of Things refers to the network of interconnected devices that collect and exchange data. Smart homes, wearable health devices, and industrial automated automation systems are examples of these applications, which enhance convenience, efficiency, and decision making. Blockchain technology is a decentralized digital ledger that ensures transparency and security in transactions. It has the potential to transform industries by providing a secure and transparent method of record keeping. Biotechnology and healthcare. Advances in biotechnology that leads to breakthroughs in medical research, diagnostics, and treatment, which improves healthcare outcomes and extending life expectancy. And lastly is the renewable energy and sustainability. Technological innovations in renewable energy, such as solar and wind power, are crucial in addressing climate change and reducing dependence on fossil fuels. It also enhances the efficiency and reliability of renewable energy systems. According to Taylor in 2001, there are five generations of distance education. The first generation is called the correspondence model. People mainly utilize written and printed text and postal services for delivering text in the forms of books, newspapers, and manuals. In this stage, the interaction between teachers and students was usually limited to correspondence, which means handwritten texts were sent via postmail. The second generation, or the multimedia model, is characterized by the use of radio and television as instructional media, in addition to print materials. This generation is also often called as industrial mode of distance education with highly specialized division of labor in producing and delivering instructional materials and potential to educate thousands of students at once. The third generation is the telelearning model. This generation utilizes information and communication technologies, or ICT, to provide interaction in addition to content delivery. The fourth generation is called flexible learning model. In this generation of distance education, there is flexibility of media available for the learners in time, pace, and space. The learning material is more refined as compared to the third generation, and it has advanced interactive delivery. The fifth generation, or the intelligent flexible learning model, incorporates the use of automated response systems and intelligent object databases in the context of internet based delivery. It has the potential to provide students with valuable personalized pedagogical experience at a lower cost than traditional approaches to distance education and conventional face-to-face education. Learning the history of technology and the different generations of distance education, let's discuss now on how technology has changed distance education. First in the list is advanced accessibility. Online education technologies allow access to the latest and best information available. Printed materials such as textbooks can become outdated quickly with obsolete information, which then takes a long time to update. Using online information means your education sources are relevant and updated, and they can be instantly integrated to the learning process. Second is inclusivity. Being able to learn remotely has made education more widely accessible for everyone. Online education allows people who work full time to further the learning remotely in their own time. Other children who don't suit traditional schooling can work at their own pace in a safe environment, and people who live an alternative lifestyle due to disabilities or travel can receive an education. Collaboration and engagement. The switch from traditional school setting to an online learning platform allows educators to embrace more interactive tools and approaches that students will find engaging. Technology allows a shift from static learning materials to more dynamic interactive media content. Students often learn faster and engage more when they are not only passively listening to a teacher and reading textbook but also participating in engaging academic activities. Next is better efficiency. Technology has made certain teaching tasks quicker and easier. For example, a teacher can arrange an online quiz for the students, which will provide them with instant results and feedback. This eliminates the need for the teacher to assess and check through each student test. Teacher can also use technology to schedule group or individual lessons and produce personalized content. And last, adopting progressive educational technology. New technologies provide educators with a bigger variety of teaching methods and materials. Some of these new technologies, including mobile educational apps, collaborative platforms, learning analytics, virtual reality, and many other innovative tools and approaches. These new educational materials and methods can help make the learning process much more appealing and engaging for both students and teachers. Now for our discussion. First question is, how has technology transformed teaching and student learning? Second question is, in what ways has technology impacted education both positively and negatively? I hope that you have learned about our topic, the evolution of technology and its impact on the implementation of distance education, and I look forward seeing your responses in our discussion forums.